Hello, my name is Tobias. Today I want to show you how to set up your edding compact printer and print on your chosen material. So let's get started. First, unpack your box. The first layer you find the printer. Second layer you have a keyboard and a marker to mark your drilling holes. On the base layer you find everything else for the mounting. You have a basic tools within the accessoires, but if you have better, you can use them. Also, you have old screws to make the mounting. First, we start with the base clamp and the hole marker to mark the position where we want the base clamp. In our case, we have a Bosch profile, so we did a little bit different. We drilled the foot clamp and we adjusted with some longer screws. After you adjust the base clamp, get your guiding bars. Do the high adjustment. Look that you are behind the guide bar. If everything is in position, start to tighten up the screws. As you already choose the right cartridge for your surface, remove the plastic adapter and stick the cartridge in from behind to the front and close. A few seconds, we can start to edit our message. Now we can print our welcome message. Now we print on some insulation material with SP-12 black. Print has a good visibility and you can't rub it off. Are you ready to make your production line more efficient? Click the button below or write us an email. We guarantee you a response within 24 hours. If you have any additional requirements or a different material to print on, then also click the button and write us. Or go ahead and buy a printer directly at our online shop. We have delivery in the EU within 2 business days. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye and auf Wiedersehen.